Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make masala chai. In India, where I am from, every person, every house has their own way of making masala chai. And today, I'm going to share you my way of making it, which my husband and I enjoyed every single day. So for this recipe, you will need ginger, cardamom pods, lemongrass leaf, black tea leaf, sugar, milk, water. We'll start by crushing the ginger and cardamom pods together. Now crushing is very important because it helps the ginger to release all the juices into the tea water, which is going to flavor it. If you just directly put the ginger piece in it, it's not going to do anything. So either crush it or use a grater and grate it. But help the ginger to release the juices out, okay? So let's start by crushing this mixture. We like our chai to be gingery, but if you're not a ginger fan, you can reduce the quantity of ginger or just not add the ginger at all. You can add any other ingredient like cloves, cinnamon, or just stick with the cardamom. That's fine too. So this is how we like it. So we'll just crush it all together. You can see the ginger and cardamom is crushed really nicely. Now we'll transfer this in a teapot. I dropped some. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add dry leaves of lemongrass. Now these are leaves. In Asian market, you will see the stems. That's not what we are using. These are the dried leaves of lemongrass. You can use the fresh leaf if it is easily available in your garden or something, but I don't have one, so I'm just using the dried lemongrass. I changed my pot real quick because the other one was too small. I didn't realize it, so this is the one I'm going to use. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Let's put this on the stove. We'll start by the medium heat. While our water is warming up, I'm going to go ahead and warm up my milk. This is 2 cups of lactose-free milk. You can use any milk that you are comfortable with, but I like the lactose-free. So let's go and warm this up. Type of tea leaf is very important to make a good chai, and I tell you why. When I was very new in America, I went to the local store and got the local tea leaf, which you will use to make a sweet tea. It makes amazing sweet tea. But when I tried to make a chai out of it, it didn't taste good. And same way, when I tried to make sweet tea out of this chai leaves, it didn't taste good at all. I guess the soil, climate and water changes the taste of leaf. So I will suggest you to go to the Indian market or any Asian market and find a tea leaf that is grown in India. I like to use this brand. This is Taj Mahal. This is not a promotion. You can use any brand that you will like it there and try to make the chai out of those tea because it will give you the most authentic taste of chai. When you see it start bubbling, you can go ahead and add your black tea and let it simmer for around 30 to 45 seconds. I won't suggest you to go any longer because tea starts releasing tannin from it, which will cause it to go bitter, and it can also cause digestive problems in some people. So don't boil it too much, just 30 to 45 seconds and that's all. After 45 seconds, we'll go ahead and add our 2 cups of milk and let it simmer for like few seconds. After few seconds, our tea looks pretty good. Now we'll strain it. Now I'm going to add the sugar to the cups. I prefer to add sugar directly to the cup and not when I'm making the chai because every person has their own preferences when it comes to sugar. and that's why I like to add it to individual cups. Let's pour in our chai. Italy. I like to serve my hot, nice chai with some cookies. Right now, the gingerbread cookies are in the season, so I like to serve those with my hot tea. What I do is I take the piece, dip it in, and so good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I will see you next time. Bye.